In this video, we are going to explain number 16 of the Math 1 to 2, Statistics 1, Unit 6, Assignment 6, number 16. It says, if a random variable x approximates a normal distribution with a mean of 150 and a variance of 22 squared, find the probability that x is greater than 126.7 and less than 137.7. Now, when we compare both 126.7 and 137.7, they are both less than 150. So this is a type of in-between, but it appears to be on the left side of 150. Okay? Our final answer will surely be less than 0.5 because half of the standard normal curve is already 0.5 in probability value, that area, and we want an area in that left half, that lower half, within that lower half, so that our final answer will surely be less than 0.5. So, and also when we standardize twice, 126.7 minus 150, we're going to get a negative z. Okay, divided by 22, we're going to get a negative z. 137.7 minus 150 divided by 22, we're going to get another positive and negative z. And then we are going to be, that is an indication that our shaded region is on the left side of 150. So let's see how we can approach sort of question. And we are going to unit 6. And right away, we can see that we are in a situation like this here. Both z's will be negative, and we're trying to find that area between those two negative values of z. So one of the simplest ways to do that is to find phi of negative 0.46, find phi of negative 2.3, and subtract each other. Phi of meaning from that z value towards the left. Okay, so we're going to find two phis of negative numbers. One will be bigger than the other. For example, phi of negative 0.46 will surely be bigger than phi of negative 2.3, and we subtract each other. Now, phi of both negatives will be tails because we are on the left side of 0. So this is a left tail. This is another left tail. Both phis of negative numbers will be left tails, but one will be a bigger left tail than the other, but nonetheless, they are both left tails. Okay, now to find a left tail, or to find any tail, in fact, we have to find the big chunk and subtract from 1. So that's why here now, phi of negative 0.46 is 1 minus phi of 0.46. Okay, because the left tail is the same as the right tail. So we're going to find phi of 0.46. That's a big chunk here. 0.46 will be here, and phi of, and subtract from 1 will give us the right tail, which is the same as the left tail of 0.46. And similarly, we're going to find phi of 2.3. Okay, and we're going to subtract from 1, and then we're going to subtract both of them, and that will give us our final answer. For example, here, our final answer is 0.31204. So we have to apply working like this, similar to this, to answer such a question. Okay, so we first put 150, and we put the both x values, 127.7, 126.7, and 137.7, and then we standardize. We put 0 on the 150, and we put the negative z's on each of the x values, and then we do our working, and we resort to the table to get our phis of big chunks more than 0.5, and we subtract each of them, or both of them, from 1, and then we subtract them from each other to get our final answer. So that should help us to answer number 16.